In this video, I'll walk you through how to create your own email address from your domain name. So if let's say you have an email address at mydomain.com, then if you want to create an email address with the name webmaster at mydomain.com, then this is how you're going to do it. So if you're using Cpanel, log into your Cpanel, which you can see I'm in my Cpanel account right now. Then click on this mail icon. Okay, now you're in the mail manager main menu. Now click on this add, remove and manage accounts over here, this link. Okay, now you can see I already have one email account with the name of amir@amirsalim.com. So if you want to create your own account, click on this add account link here. Now type in the username that you want to be named. Let's say it's webmaster@amirsalim.com, and the password test, and the quota if you want to limit this email quota. So if you just leave it as blank, it will be unlimited. If you just type in 100, then it will be 100 megabytes. So just click create, and now it's done. Now this is very important. This information, if possible, try to save it if you can't remember. So you see that this email account webmaster@amirsalim.com has been created, and this is the login, or also known as the username, and this is the password test with a quota of 100 megabytes. So let's say if you want to create an email account from Outlook Express or your third-party email client. So let's say right now I have my Outlook Express. So I go and create my my account here, and again add mail. So display name, for example, it will be my own name. Type in my own name. Next, the email address, it will be the email address that I've just created just now. Okay, next. Now type in as mail dot your website, your web address or your domain name. Same thing here. Click on next. Okay, the account name, this is very important. You can see here, this is the account name or the login information, login username. Copy and paste here, and the password is test. So once you are done, just click on next, and we are done. We finish. Now close this thing, and in order for you to send and receive an email, just click on this button. So let's test if it's really working properly. I'll send an email to the same email address. Test email. So once we are done, click on send to see if the send and the receive has been is working properly. You can see this is the status just now. Now it has been sent. So go to the send items. You can see this has already been sent. That means the send or the mail server on the sending of emails is working properly. Now go to inbox. Let's click this and see if we receive the email. And there you go. We are receiving one message. There. This is the same email. So the sending and the receiving of the email is working properly. So that means your account has been set up properly. So now let's go back to the Cpanel. Optionally, if you don't have any third-party email clients or third-party programs like Eudora or Outlook Express, then you can also read by using the webmail account. You can see here, this is the account that we have just created, webmail. Click on webmail once and just type in the password. Click login. And now you are given a choice whether you want to use the hot or the squirrel mail. So in this case, I just click on the hot. They are just different in the interface, the user interface. That's all. So login here. And now we are in the email client. So you can also use, or you can send and receive email from here if you wish. click on this mail, and the inbox, this is 0, so we want to send message, just click on this new message, and a new window appears. And let's say we send an email to ourselves, and click on send. Now let's click on the inbox again to retrieve mail that we have just sent. There you go. The email that I sent to myself has been received in my inbox. So this shows that it's working properly. Okay, now let's go back to Cpanel. Click on go back here. Go back. And let's click on this default address. Now this is very important. If someone sends an email to your email domain name, but with a username that doesn't exist on your account, let's say he sent an email at abcdefg@amisalim.com. So definitely I did not create any account. I did not create the username of that account. So if we set it as default, or if we set the unrouted mail to be sent to Amisalim, then we will receive all the emails, even though there are no username. So if you want to prevent this from happening, just click on this set default address, and you can see this hint. If you want to discard all the incoming unrouted mail, just type in this black hole. But if you want to bounce the email, then click on this, or choose this word and click paste here. So the best choice is just to put black hole, so that it will delete all the emails. So all unrouted emails will be deleted to your server, from your server. And click on change. Okay, now we are done. So let's go back, and you can see all unrouted mail will be sent to black hole. Now go back and add remove manage address. So you can see here we only have two accounts created, ami@amisalim.com and webmaster@amisalim.com. So if right now anyone sends to an email address where the username doesn't exist, apart from these two mails, then the emails will be automatically deleted. So that's all for this tutorial, and see you again in another video series. Goodbye.